All right, let's head back to our top story, that of ANC, Wiper and Ford Kenya members of parliament that are set to convene a joint parliamentary group meeting to discuss key issues in the formation of the One Kenya Alliance. And joining me right now to give us more information on that is Murimi Mwangi. We'll be getting to him shortly. Remember, the roadmap to formalization of the One Kenya Alliance in the coalition ahead of the 2022 will be entering a critical stage today. This comes after different affiliate members of the NASA coalition, that is ANC, Ford Kenya, Wiper Party, and also ODM, exited NASA last week. Let's now talk to Murimi Mwangi. Murimi, good morning. Has the meeting started? What should we expect?
Morning, Ashley. I have been able to spot a few of the former National Super Alliance core principals, Musalia Mudavadi, Kalonzo Musyoka, and Moses Wetangula. They are currently in a meeting with their respective technical committees. Initially, in the planning of things for this meeting today, it was initially expected to be a meeting between the parliamentary group from the four parties that are behind the One Kenya Alliance, but there was a change of strategy as of last evening to have this meeting comprise the three core principles from the National Super Alliance to give an update on the status of their pullout from the NASA coalition. That meeting with the technical team is expected to appraise them and their respective parliamentary handlers on the status of the pullout. Remember, the registrar of political parties has been consistent that she is yet to receive any formal letter from any of the four founding parties of the National Super Alliance actualizing the divorce from the coalition despite the political pronouncements on the same, and therefore the publicization of the letters here today is expected to be part of the process to a presentation of these letters to the registrar of political parties. Interesting times for Mudavadi, Wetangula, and Kalonzo as they seek a new home in the One Kenya Alliance that also comprises KANU National Chairman Gideon Moi, who currently is in a post-election coalition agreement with the ruling Jubilee Party, an agreement he says is still intact until 2022, but for the purpose of next year's election, the four have begun consultations with the strategy of coming up with a fresh coalition for the purpose of next year's election, and already have set up an 8-member technical committee that is expected to advise on the manifesto areas, craft the manifesto, craft the coalition agreement, and also come up with modalities for selection of the 2022 lineup should the One Kenya Alliance actualize into a coalition. Ashley.
All right, Murimi Mwangi, I know there's so much information that we are yet to get, so we'll be coming back to you as we go on. Of course, he is camping at where the One Kenya Alliance meeting is set to happen. Of course, more information will be coming up as we continue. But moving